In this particular video, I am going to talk about expert option. So as you can see, this is the expert option, and after adding, if you want to add any amount in the expert option through the UPI payment or through the Paytm, suppose if you will go in the finance and if you will click here the deposit, then you will get some of the option which is the Paytm and UPI. What is the issue in this particular method of your payment? So basically, if you are choosing a Paytm and if you will pay some amount, then the process is something you have to pay manually on that particular wallet number, which this is the wallet number and amount which you need to pay. So basically you need to pay in this way. Okay, but after paying, you have paid, but that particular payment will not reflect in your account. Here in the expert option, that option will not come, means that amount will not added. This is the biggest issue. That's why I am going to talk about. After payment, you will get a transaction ID and you have to provide a transaction ID. Okay, so if you will provide here a transaction ID and confirm it, as you can see in the screenshot, that this is the basically valid transaction ID in the Paytm you will get. But the problem is here that once you will click here the confirm, it will say that your transaction ID is not found. This is the biggest issue. So how you will resolve this type of issue? What is the issue? It seems like this is a fake, and there is some fraud is going on in this particular application. Basically, the payment method of this app is not good, means definitely, as you can see, that after payment that particular amount will not reflect it. So maybe this is under the progress, that is still it's not completed. That's why it is like that, because in the many of the application you can pay instantly through your debit card and Paytm and other through the through the UPI payment. You can do very easily and instantly that particular amount will get you will get on that particular application. So here it's not like that. It will take up to 24 hours to reflect. After adding, you will get a transaction ID and you have to provide a transaction ID, and but it will not take that transaction ID. You have to wait 8 to 9 hours or maybe 10 hours. Then if you will apply the transaction ID, then you will able to add or deposit your amount in the expert option. So this is the biggest issue, and definitely it's not a for a good application. This is not for a good or great application. If any application is made for the future reference, then this type of issue is the biggest issue, I would say. So in the future maybe the fraud can be happen. So I will suggest that don't use this application. If you still want to play a trade, or to win something or lose something, then if you are really interested, then you can do, but it will take up to 10 hours to reflect that particular amount in your expert option account. So thank you for watching. If you will face any problem related to this, because I have used this application a lot, as you can see there are lots of trade I have did. I most of the time I lose, I earn, like that. So that's why, as per my experience, I am sharing these things. Okay, this is the recent deal. There are lots of trade I have done. So I hope you understand, you like my video. Thank you for watching.